What's good, YouTube? It's your boy David back with another video. We back with a tutorial. So today I'm gonna show y'all basically a barbell row variation that's gonna really help you isolate your back and get a good squeeze without having to engage a whole lot of your other muscles just because of the equipment we're gonna be using. So let's get into it. All right, so today we're gonna head over here. We're gonna go over to the Smith machine. So we're gonna be using the Smith machine for these rows. I'm in my apartment gym today, but if it was like a free weight bar, I would show y'all basically that version as well. But the reason we're gonna use the Smith machine is because with the Smith machine, it takes a lot of the other accessory muscles out of the movement. If you were to be doing, bench on this, you're not really using a lot of your stabilizer muscles because the bar is fixated on these two opposite bars on the Smith machine. So it becomes a lot easier. There's not that much resistance. There's not whole lot of accessory, muscles that you have to incorporate in order to do the movement. We're gonna be doing the Smith machine barbell rows, and the reason we're gonna do that is because it's gonna help you isolate the back. So this is a really good kind of, intermediate advanced, movement, I would say, for lifters, because this is gonna really help you get that mind muscle connection with your back, but also really just focus in and not have to worry about the bar going up too far, too high. You're really gonna be able to isolate that muscle. So we're gonna come over here, and a lot of times that's gonna be dependent upon the variation or the variables of the Smith machine, because with this particular Smith machine, we're able to have the bar come basically, a foot from the ground. Some Smith machines do not go that low, so you might not be able to do it. So I would say, like, if your Smith machine probably only comes to about right here, this is probably not the best way to be doing, your rows, because you're not gonna be able to get a big enough stretch. Like if it stops right here and this is all you can do, it's not really gonna be beneficial for you. You could get a bench and stand on that in order to make the range of motion a lot further. I just want you to be honest with yourself and make sure you're getting good work with this exercise. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. So bar is all the way at the bottom. Get your feet nice and right in an athletic position. Engage your glutes. Stay tight, right over the bar. Put your hands in, kind of a neutral grip position, not too far out, not too close in. So right there, feel good, and then drive up. And you can see right now, I'm having to engage my core a little bit because I am bent over, but I'm not having to worry about. This machine is really helping me isolate and really focus in on my back and not having to focus in on a lot of other muscles that I would have to if I were doing this as a free weight bar. So, and I want you to kind of think about that even when you do this exercise. Try maybe do some barbell rows, then come do this and see if you feel the difference. You should feel a major difference. You should almost feel like you're able to concentrate more on your back with this exercise than the barbell rows or free weighted barbell rows. So I'm gonna continue. Squeeze up. You're gonna drive the bar all the way up and kind of touch the top of your abdomen. That's where you wanna shoot for. And it kind of just depends on where you are and playing with the bar. Sometimes you might be close and you're coming towards maybe your belly button area, but you want to drive towards your abdominals. And you want to squeeze. Again, when it comes to back, it's all about elbow drive. So notice how my elbows are going straight back, trying to almost go behind my back in a way, so I can get a good squeeze. And for me, when I do my barbell rows, I like to lean all the way over, so almost like my back is at a 90-degree angle, parallel with the floor. But you can also do whatever's comfortable for you. You could be more in an athletic position like this, where you're kind of more at a 45-degree angle and then driving like this. This is also good. It's also good work. Just kind of a different angle for your back, but it's still good. Just for me, I feel comfortable and I think I get more activation out of my back with my back being parallel to the floor. All right, add some weight and do another set for y'all, and then I'm gonna send y'all on your way. have any questions for me regarding this workout, hit me up on my Instagram, DJ_Allen6, and just hit me up on my DMs. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comment section. I'd love to chat it up with y'all and explain more about this exercise. All right, here we go. Drive. Notice how I have my whole body is still, and I'm just focusing in on moving my elbows back. Notice how my head is looking straight down. It's not looking up. You want to keep that spine in a neutral position. So look down at the ground and drive up. Good word. Oh yeah, those are good. I love these. Just because it really allows you to just isolate that back. Like I feel so much of a pump in my back just from doing that. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. Again, y'all know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we out.